Hi, I'm Daniel McGrew with Epiroc product support for the underground rock excavation team. Today is a how-to video on how to refill your hydraulic tank if it is low. First, we'll remove our hose from the tray. Use a 22mm wrench to remove the plug. This is a check valve, so the oil will not leak back down. Put this in the bucket. You would push this button until your oil got to your desired height. Once that is done, you would remove this from the bucket, replace your plug, no more than hand tight, and then you would place it back down into the tray where you had it. Thank you for joining us today, and for more information, please contact your local Epiroc dealer or service center.